Hi, I'm Todd Allen, Commercial AC Trainer for GE Appliances Air and Water Solutions. In this video, we're going to discuss the steps to install the RAVTRANS1CO transition. This transition is used when you've got a first company product with a first company plenum and you want to install a Zoneline vertical air conditioner. Let's get started. This video highlights the steps to install the RAVTRANS1CO transition kit, including the transition plenum, diverter baffle plates, diverter baffle leg supports, mounting bracket plates, PVC elbow and tube for drain, assembly screws, and mounting screws. With the existing vertical air conditioner removed, begin the transition installation by removing and discarding the existing air divider in the existing plenum. 4 screws secure the divider to the plenum sides. If your existing plenum has side gussets, as shown here, cut and remove the gussets. There are several methods that can be used for this purpose. Use the method that best suits your ability and application. After removing the gussets, file down any sharp edges and ensure all gusset material is removed from the sides and bottom. Per instructions, install 2 or 4 diverter baffle supports. Our application only requires 2. If installing a makeup air equipped VTAC, the upper square block-off plate must be removed by removing the 2 screws securing it. Install the transition in the existing plenum by pressing it into the opening of the existing plenum. The original plenum gasket should create a seal between the plenum and the transition. Per instructions, select and install the appropriate divider baffle or baffle combination. Secure the baffle to the supports and transition front. Per instructions, secure the transition using the supplied brackets and the method that works best for your application. Install the included primary drain elbow. The threaded side connects to the platform and the slip side connects to the drain tube. Tighten the drain tube assembly to the center primary drain. Final position should have the drain tube pointing directly towards the rear of the platform. With the transition installed, you are now ready to begin the installation of your Zoneline VTAC. Refer to our VTAC installation video and our quick install system video.